Another beautiful day.
Clamshell excavator.
The grab excavator is installing streetlights. Great job!
Come here. I got it.
Dump truck.
It's disappeared.
The dump truck is painting zebra crossings.
It's so nice. Look at this. Hey, I got it.
So neat and tidy. Well done!
Let's go.
After painting, they put up road barriers. The paint needs time to dry before cars can pass. The shark car is driving happily while listening to music. Stop, shark car! Oh no! The shark car rushes past the barriers and its tires get covered in yellow paint.
Help me!
The shark car gets scared and keeps driving while calling for help, leaving long yellow tire marks on the road.
Crane truck.
Hey! Help me! Hey!
The crane truck sees this and quickly stops it.
Okay. Let's go. Hey, come here.
It also calls the construction team for help.
Let's go. Okay. It's my time.
The crane lifts the shark car onto a tow truck and sends it for cleaning.
Okay. Let's go. So nice. Come here.
Street sweeper.
It's my time.
The street sweeper cleans all the paint off the road.
I like it. It's my time. Let's go.
The dump truck brings new paint and redraws the zebra crossing.
Wow, it's a nice ride. It's amazing. Okay. It's so nice.
All done!
Let's go.
The excavator sets up the barriers again.
It's amazing.
The shark car is clean now.
Nice. Let's go.
The crane truck reminds the shark car, don't wear headphones while driving.
Okay.
Always watch the road.
Oh, nice.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, see you next time.